Good. How to make group in EPANET? Okay. This is a this is my file. Then I'll click on this pipe and I'll it is already written 7. I'll make it something 4. Okay. It is 4. It is 3. It's already make one, but I'll show you. After that, go to file. Then export the file in the network, and I'll save it in .mpp file. Okay, this is my file. Then I'll go to my Excel. Then I'll open the file that is in desktop. Okay, desktop. I don't get all file, and I save it that this one .np open. For that, okay. After that, there is the link. This is my pipe number, and this is the ID. Okay, I'll show you. Okay. I will delete this one, and then I will go to. I have my format. I have make a pipe distribution here. I'll click Ctrl C, and I'll paste the value in this model. Click here and paste here, and I'll click on File, Save, and close the Excel file. I'll open this one. I'll close this one. I'll come here, export, import network. Yes, okay. File model open. Zoom it. This is my model. If I click it here and see it, I got my tag here already. And here, yeah. By this way, you can make the tag and to change the roughness of each particular pipe. I'll go to this here, select all, and edit group type. I'll select the pipe with the tag equals to okay 7 and replace the pressure coefficient with 150. 150. Then pipe will update. If I want to see the roughness, I can see I have this pipe 150. By this way, you can change the roughness of the pipe and do simulate the value and check the pressure RMS. Thank you for watching.